Hey there! Today I have an interesting problem to discuss with you. Imagine you're facing a coding dilemma where you need to decide on the best interface to support your project. This can be a common problem in software development, and it's crucial to make the right choice to avoid future headaches. Let's dive into this problem together and explore a solution that might just be the key to your coding conundrum. Now let's talk about the solution to the problem we just discussed. The solution lies in understanding the importance of utilizing interfaces effectively. In this case, the codeIList code interface proves to be a valuable choice due to its unique features. Even though not every method may be fully implemented, codeIList code offers functionalities such as the index-based access that an array can support. Moreover, the code.isFixSize code property plays a crucial role in preventing unexpected errors when using certain methods. By implementing the codeIList code interface, you can ensure that your code remains robust and efficient. In summary, we've explored the challenge of choosing the right interface for your coding project and discovered the benefits of utilizing the codeIList code interface. By understanding the nuances of each interface, you can optimize your code for better performance and maintainability. I hope you found this discussion insightful and helpful for your future programming endeavors. Remember, coding is all about making smart choices that lead to efficient solutions. Stay tuned for more tech tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Happy coding!